This is Dan at Cardboard Hobby. We're cracking 2016 Panini Black Gold one box break, eBay break, June 15th, 2017. I'm going to read off eBay usernames with team names. Paulie on shoulder with the Seahawks and Buccaneers. William 51786 with the Redskins. Boss _ time with the Titans. Kier Cuff 1946 with the Steelers, Chargers, and Niners. Teacher 155 REA with the Cardinals. Lions, Dolphins, Jags, and Jets. Crazy Dave G with the Rams and Eagles. Awesome FAIC with the Raiders. DFW Box Breaks with the Giants. William 51786 with the Saints. K-Town Jeep with the Patriots. William 51786 also with the Vikings. Big Birds 123 with the Colts. Golf Design 101 with the Texans. Kiercuff 1946 with the Packers as well. Boss Time with the Broncos as well. Beer 2014 with the Cowboys. Golf Design 101 also with the Browns. And William 51786 also with the Bears. Yeah, I hear you there, teacher. Rather be outside doing stuff during the summer. Okay, we got your one sealed box here. Black gold. Let's get it open and let's do this. Good luck, everybody. Maybe. There we go. And we got your two packs here. Alright, here we go. Pack one here. It came right open. Alright, here we go. Tyler Boyd, 9 out of 100. Rookie Goldmine Bengals. 009 out of 100. Bengals, Tyler Boyd. Odell Beckham Jr., 84 to 225. On the OBJ. Giants. And we got a quad here. Corey Coleman, Laquan Treadwell, Josh Doxson, Will Fuller. 43 to 249. Quad relic. So we're going to be doing a little ownership checking here. 43 to 249 there on the quad. Coleman, Treadwell, Doxson, Fuller. Let's go right to the ownership and check it out now. Browns are Golf Design. Vikings are William. Redskins are William. Texans are Golf Design. So we got two guys with two teams, so that's going to random. That will be a random, guys. I'll do that right after the break on the quad relic here. So this will be a random, guys. Okay, we got a redemption. Sizable Signatures rookie jersey, Josh Doxson. That's going to the Redskins. Sizable Signatures rookie jersey, Josh Doxson. Redemption, Redskins. Nice hit there. And last hit here out of pack number 1, Wendell Smallwood. Mother Load triple relic for your Eagles. 161 out of 199. 161 out of 199 there. Triple relic, Wendell Smallwood. Mother Load. So Eagles on the board there. All right, pack 2 here. We got a Gold Rush Thurman Thomas, 22 out of 225. Bills. Got Blake Bortles. 191 out of 225. Oh my, we got another quad piece here. Oh, we got Ezekiel Elliott, Derrick Henry, Kenyon Drake, and CJ Procise. Wow, nice patches. 26 out of 49. 26 out of 49 there. Elliott, Henry, Drake, and Procise. Cowboys, Titans, Dolphins, Seahawks. Beautiful patches. Sweet card. And yeah, we got to check ownership. Cowboys are Burr. Titans are Boss Time. Dolphins are Teacher. Seahawks are Polly on Shoulder. So that's going to be a random, guys. So we got another random. 2 randoms. Coming up right after the break, guys. Don't go anywhere. For the Brownies, Cody Kessler. Sizable signatures. Rookie autograph there. Relic in the background there with the rookie autograph. 108 out of 225. Nice card. Browns. 108 out of 225. Brownies. Cody Kessler. Sizable signatures. Rookie autograph. Relic also in the background there. Browns. Nice looking hit there. And your last hit is a Motherlode Devontae Booker for the Broncos. 152 out of 249. Triple relic there. Orange relic pieces. 152 out of 249. And I'm going to run back through the hits here real quick, guys. We got the Motherlode Devontae Booker. We got the Cody Kessler for the Browns. Sizable signatures. Jersey rookie autograph. 108 out of 225 there for your Brownies. Got the Wendell Smallwood Motherlode triple relic. 161 out of 199 for your Eagles. The Redemption Josh Doctson. Sizable signatures rookie jersey. Redskins. And we have your 2 quads that are going to a random, which is coming right up. Elliott, Henry, Drake, and Procise. Cowboys, Titans, Dolphins, and Seahawks. Beautiful patches on that one, too. 26 out of 49. And the other one going to the random. Corey Coleman, Laquan Treadwell, Josh Doctson, Will Fuller. Another quad piece there. 43 out of 249. Browns, Vikings, Redskins, Texans. Thank you so much for breaking, guys. It really means a lot. Stick around for the randoms, of course. Thank you so much, guys. Appreciate it.